to be one of the world's Earth Hour ambassadors, charged with the task of spreading this message of hope to as many as possible in this short time. It's the reason for being here at this moment. One of our Matawera residents dubbed this as the Matariki Night. The Matariki is the seven sisters of the night. We're very lucky to have this most beautiful place on earth where we can all still see the stars, not only the land and the sea, but the space and the sky as well. Thank you again for making history for our nation, for supporting the call to action.
Good.